Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is build day. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you can see, we've got the Creos PS270 and we've got a big Creos PS270. It's build day today guys. I'm going to build a custom airbrush stand for the Creos. So it's going to be a mounted stand. It's all going to be airbrush, so we're going to airbrush that actual airbrush onto this, what I've got cut out. And then we're going to make a stand, a display stand for the Creos range. Something to do, little video for you guys. I'm still waiting for my paint so we can crack on with these. I hope you've enjoyed these little mini series on the paint effects. So I thought I'd do something different and jump onto a little build day, get the tools out again, do a bit of chopping, some wood, gluing, screwing and painting. So I'll take you through a full process on this. We're going to do some clear coat on this as well. So yeah, enjoy guys. There you go guys, there's a quick miniature Creos, big Creos. This is all cut out, jigsawed out in aluminium, and I've sprayed the Creos PS270. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a custom airbrush stand. We're going to do some timber work next, and we're going to have mounts on this brush to hold my Creos range. So that's the brush guys, that's what I've gone off, and the one on the screen just there. So I'll see you in the next step. We'll chop some timber up and make this stand from the fly. So yeah, see you in the next step guys. Guys, there's the custom Creos airbrush stand that I've just made. So I cut the actual PS270 out in aluminium composite signboard, and then we've sprayed the actual brush, and I've got some mounts so you can mount your brushes. You can just slide your brushes out like that, nice and easy, and you can put your own Creos range in. And then to the bottom we've got a little engraved graffiti style Creos. I'll pan around with the camera in a minute and show you. So that's today's little project, all complete guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And the next video that's coming up will be the denim part on that last part near the series of that one. So I'll give you a little pan around with the camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe, press that notification so you don't miss out on any more upcoming videos on Dred Custom Paint. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.